Okay, numero uno, number one. Washi, then boom. Yo, it's Mr. O, and I'm going to give you a crash course on how to bake some salmon and bake some beef. See, my wife wants beef, and my student Kyla was like, Mr. O, could you teach us how to make some fish? Pescado. She didn't say pescado, but pescado is fish in Espanol, Spanish. All right? So basically, I already rinsed everything off, right? And for sake of time, and I seasoned this meat, right? With the same seasoning I'm choosing today. I do what I want. Most of the time with salmon, all you really need is a little salt and pepper. But I'm fancy. So I put fancy stuff on it, like this is the lemon pepper. You know, lemon pepper. I did the other side, so I'm gonna do this side. Little lemon pepper. And then adobo. That's the seasoning for Latinos. Yeah, man. Peace to my Latinos out there. Peace to my black people, my white people, my everybody people. All right, people. All right, so we want to always make sure our food is well seasoned. Like, so every little bite tastes, You know what I mean? See, I got this on because I went to the football game today. Shout out to the Ocala cheerleaders and all the teams, all right? Y'all all did your best, all right? That's all I'm going to say right now. But the cheerleaders is definitely rocking. And the guys I'll be back to support in the future, all right? Now that's Jersey Gant Park, right? Yeah, Ocala. I'm still kind of new here, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all did your thing. And that's on YouTube too. I'm about to upload it. And I'm gonna upload some on my TikTok, you know what I'm saying? Mr. O, hip hop teacher, Mr. O, all right? So that's basically it. I'm giving you a crash course. So like, I just want to give a little side note. When I teach you, probably the next time, I'll teach you how to fry, right? We're gonna use some corn flour or some flour, and you're gonna dip it in with seasoning. We're gonna dip the fish in on both sides and probably fry some eggs, not fry eggs, put eggs on it so the seasoning and the flour can stick to it. And then we have the oil, olive oil or vegetable oil or butter, very hot, so we can put it in, boom! And that's how you make the fried fish. But we're gonna do the baked fish because this is lazy style. Once we put it in the oven, we can multitask, we can go elsewhere, all right? So that's basically it. Nothing really funny about it today, but I'm gonna put this in the oven. I preheated it already to 350. And also you can always put olive oil or something, but the color is because of that sazon, the orange sazon. So I'm gonna put it in. My mistake. My wife taught me, which I never used to do, to put the aluminum foil over the food when you bake it because it will steam it and keep the steam in and keep the spices and the sauces in. So I'm gonna get that real quick. Aluminum foil up here, bam, okay? So, aluminum foil. I'm gonna wrap this up. I'm gonna put it in because it's gonna taste so good later on. Now this is a big old pan, so we're gonna probably use 2 of these. This is for patient people. If you got a short attention span, you're not gonna like these longer videos, but I'm trying to teach you something, you understand? Teaching you how to cook here. So again, well, let me do this and then we'll review real quick. Kids don't try this at home without a parent or guardian. All right, I'm putting this in. So I'm making fish and steak at the same time. It's like chopped up steak. At the same time, I'm gonna cook these, but the fish I'm gonna check on in about 20 minutes. I'll get my spatula and flip it over. I mean, flip it, right? And then the beef I will check on too, probably about 20 minutes. I'm gonna check them on, flip it. And you always want to make sure everything is brown, or you could taste it and make sure it's perfect before you eat it and give it to other people, okay? So that's what it is, man. Well, man, I'm gonna go do my thing. And that's what it is. So let me review real quick. Okay, numero uno, number one. Washi. You have to wash the stuff because you don't know where it's been, who's been handling, supermarket, truck, fisherman, whatever. You know, so you want to wash it. Washi. And after you wash it, then you're going to season. Well, before you season it, you want to maybe, if you have to, put some oils or something in the pan, just a little bit. Olive oil, or some kind of vegetable or something, butter, just to make sure the food doesn't stick to the pan, or sometimes just a little water. And then you season it with your favorite seasonings. And after you season it, then you can preheat the oven. I preheat the oven, so by the time it gets in there, it's ready. And then you put the aluminum foil over it if you're baking it, or if you have a top for the pot that you're using or the pan that you're using, put that on. And I'll be back later. But that's it. That's how you cook it. Sorry, I can't eat with you tonight because you're not invited. Only playing. But one day you will be invited. We'll work that out, okay? All right. With parents' permission and parents here also, all right? Unless you're grown, then you should know how to cook already, but some people don't, okay? Oh, here comes my dog. Food ain't ready yet, sir. All right. All right. Peace, Mr. O, the hip-hop teacher, yo. Gotta go. One love. Okay, numero uno, number one. Washi, washi.